In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 with Alexa. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though there isn't an option to natively turn on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 built into the Alexa app, you will still be able to use it to turn on your TV and consequently your PlayStation. So what you have to do is first set up the HDMI link option. So if you go over to the settings and then the system category inside of either your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you will be able to find this option. So access the settings, go into system, and then you will be able to find enable HDMI device link. This makes it so every time that you power on your PlayStation console, the TV will also be powered up, and consequently, if your TV is set to the same HDMI channel where your PlayStation console is connected, it is going to be turned on as well. Now, with this done, it is now time to connect it to the Alexa app. Like I mentioned, they don't have an option to add a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. However, now that we have enabled this option, we can just connect the TV to the Alexa app. And consequently, by powering on the TV, it is going to power on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 console in turn. So to do this, tap the plus sign, usually at the top right, choose the option to add a new TV, and you will be able to browse through various brands. I'm not going to go over this whole process. I assume that you will be able to easily connect your TV to Alexa, and most of them will have the Alexa app built into the smart TV itself, so it makes the process even more convenient. So once you have it connected, all that you have to do is choose the option to power on your TV. Every time that you tell Alexa, either by voice or by issuing a certain command through the app, to power on your TV, it is going to power it on, and then as long as it is on the same HDMI channel as your PlayStation console, it is going to straight up power on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 with Alexa. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.